Your life begins in darkness. Not the quiet, peaceful kind, but a tense, urgent darkness filled with movement. You are born impossibly small, pink, and fragile, barely the size of a grain of rice. Blind, hairless, helpless. You are a Tasmanian devil Joey, and from the very first second, you are racing for your life. Too many babies, not enough space. Your mother gives birth to dozens of Joeys at once, more than 20, sometimes even 30. But there is a cruel problem waiting for you. She has only 4 teats in her pouch. That means only 4 of you will survive. There is no protection, no choosing, no second chance, only speed. The climb. You push forward instinctively. Your tiny body stretches and contracts as you crawl through your mother's fur, guided only by smell and touch. You cannot see, you cannot hear, you only know one thing: move. Around you, other Joeys do the same. They scramble over each other, slipping, wriggling, falling behind. Every moment matters. If you stop, you lose. Latching on. At last, you find it. A teat. You clamp onto it with everything you have. Your mouth seals tight, locking you in place. This is not a gentle attachment. It is permanent. Once you latch on, you cannot let go. Your jaw fuses around the teat, forming a tight bond that will keep you alive. The others who didn't make it, they fall away. Their race ends here. Safe, but not free. Inside the pouch, darkness returns. But now it is different. This darkness is warm, protected, still. You are suspended inside a soft, living shelter, illustrated like a deep, dark bag. Outside, dangers cannot reach you here. Your mother carries you wherever she goes. For weeks, you do nothing but grow. You drink, you breathe, you develop. The world outside does not exist yet. Growing in the dark. Days pass, then weeks. Your body slowly changes. Limbs form, a face takes shape, fur begins to appear. You grow from something barely alive into something recognizably animal. You are still blind, still tiny, still completely dependent, but you are alive, and that alone makes you one of the lucky few. The pouch is a classroom. Inside the pouch, you learn without knowing it. You feel movement as your mother walks, runs, and hunts. You sense vibrations. You recognize her smell, her warmth, her rhythm. This is how you learn what safety feels like. The pouch is your entire universe. The world outside moves on. Outside, your mother lives a harsh life. Tasmanian devils are fierce scavengers and hunters. They roam forests and grasslands under cover of darkness. They fight, they feed, they scream into the night with sounds that echo through the trees. All the while, she carries you. You are small, but you matter. A first glimpse of night. Eventually, something changes. Your eyes open. Light leaks into the pouch for the first time. Dim, muted, unfamiliar. The darkness isn't complete anymore. You shift, you stretch, you loosen your grip. The world beyond the pouch begins to call. Emerging carefully. One night, you peek outside. The den is quiet, the air is cool. A crescent moon hangs low in the sky, casting pale light across rocks and trees. You are still cautious, still clumsy. Your movements are slow and unsure, but you are curious now. You step out. First steps into the world. The ground feels strange beneath your paws. You wobble, you stumble, you sniff everything. The world is made of shadows and shapes, simple, stylized forms in dark greens and grays. Nearby, your siblings emerge too. There are only a few of you, but you made it. Play is practice. Outside the den, you begin to play. You chase each other in short bursts. You tumble. You nip gently with tiny jaws that will one day be powerful enough to crush bone. This isn't just fun, it's training. You are learning how to move, how to react, how to survive. Always close to home. Even now, danger exists. Your mother stays close, watching, listening. If something moves in the dark, she reacts instantly. A sound, a shadow, a threat. You are guided back toward safety without hesitation. The pouch and den remain your anchor. From tiny to tough. Over time, you grow bolder. Your steps become confident. Your play becomes rougher. Your voice begins to form, a soft version of the fearsome screech Tasmanian devils are known for. You are no longer just surviving. You are becoming. A brutal beginning, a fighting chance. Most Joeys never make it this far. Their lives ended before they even truly began. But you won the race. You latched on. You grew. You emerged. In a world that gives no mercy, you were given a chance. The night belongs to you. Under the crescent moon, you play outside the den, small, round, bright-eyed shapes moving through the darkness. The night is no longer frightening, it is home, and your story is just beginning.